Hey friends, today I want to show you how to make this moss pole. Check it out. Hey friends, today I want to show you how to make your own very cheap, very fast moss pole. That sounds really weird. I used this free pile plant and some other free-ish materials, and I made it really fast. It's my favorite way. All right, so come on, let's go. All right, so some things we're gonna need for this project are Coco Coir. This is like the basket lining kind of Coco Coir. You can also use long fiber sphagnum peat moss. We're gonna use a board, staple gun. This is a more heavy duty staple gun. I found that the lighter weight one would not get through this thick Coco Coir. Some scissors. We're gonna start by stapling the Coco Coir onto the board. Okay, so that's our very simple coconut coir moss pole. This I do think that sphagnum peat moss is easier for the aerial roots to grab onto, but this is what I had, and it was free for me, so it's what I'm going to use. The next step is going to be getting it into the pot. Okay, so we've made our moss pole and we've got our pot. I actually put a few rocks in the bottom of the pot because I'm going to use this plastic pot inside of the ceramic pot. The reason why I'm going to do that is because I prefer planting into plastic pots. It's easier to take care of them. I can take it out, I can transplant it easier than putting it right into the ceramic pot. Also, this retains a little bit more moisture and I can track the moisture a little better. Also, the Syngonium's not really ready to go into quite a large container. So this is going to be the next size up for it, so it doesn't get waterlogged or anything. I did put some rocks at the bottom so that it doesn't, to keep the height up a little bit and also so it's not sitting in water. One of the problems that people find with moss poles is keeping them up. Well, this situation here works really good because the pot inside is actually pressing against the moss pole, keeping it up. And I can adjust the height using the lava rocks that are inside. So this kind of stabilizes it to stay there. So we're going to plant this broken, sad Syngonium. That's still, they're pretty hardy plants, you know? So, it's getting by. There it is. I'm going to put some of the dirt into this pot. Then I'm going to place it with its roots in here. Gently. I'm trying to hold on to this piece because I don't want it to break anymore. I actually think it might heal itself once it's stabilized. Add some more dirt. And next we're going to tie the Syngonium to the moss pole. All right, so we've got moss pole Syngonium. This could be obviously any plant that's a climber and has aerial roots. Syngonium, I don't know if it's the best for that, but I feel like this plant needs something to help it to stand up. So we'll see how well it attaches. I don't know how well it's going to attach to the Coco Coir. So we're going to use some twine to attach it. Just tie it on. All right, so since this plant is still kind of straightening up, I'm not going to tie it too tight. I'm tying it fairly loosely, and I'm also probably going to tighten up the ties once it starts straightening up. All right then, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please make moss poles. Don't buy them. They're so cheap and easy. Subscribe. Till the next time. See you soon. Bye.